Hey, welcome back to my channel. Let me first start off by saying in this video, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and click that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post a video. And also, y'all, don't be talking about my hair and don't be talking about the way I look, because it is Sunday when I'm recording this, and y'all, my allergies are acting up, so my voice is gonna be going in and out. But it is Sunday while I'm recording this, and I just took my mini twist that I had in my hair down, and y'all, shrinkage is real because mama is over here draping with the hair right now. But I took my mini twist down, and I want to put in some crochet braids. And the crochet braids I'm going to be putting in are these like crochet goddess braids. And these crochet goddess braids, and I'm going to put the company up here now on the screen so you guys can see it. I'm also going to leave a link down below in the description box for this company because they did reach out to me. They sent me these last year, y'all. They sent me these last year. But I was receiving so many wigs that I didn't have the time to, you know, crochet my hair. But I had a time now, and I feel like putting in some crochet braids. And these are like the little goddess locks. And it's like, it goes from a dark brown to like a honey brown and to like a blonde color. And I feel like this is going to be perfect for us entering spring or whatnot. And y'all, I'm not washing my hair. I washed my hair probably 2 weeks ago, and when I washed it and I installed my mini twist, I used this Aussie Miracle Curls leave-in detangling milk and the Aussie Miracle Coils nourishing oil. And y'all, this stuff has my hair so soft, so soft, so soft, y'all. Y'all, my hair still feels moisturized and all of that, and it's not dirty. So I am not going to, you know, I'm not gonna wash my hair, y'all, because y'all know that's like a 12-hour process with natural hair washing. I may do a natural hair wash routine one day, but y'all, so yeah, I'm really thinking about putting in my little goddess braids and just, you know, letting it be. So I have all my tools and everything that I'm gonna be using, and got my needle and thread and my crochet hook. And I'm looking over here because I have my combs and everything right there. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I'm probably not going to do on camera of me actually braiding, because once I show you guys my braid pattern, you're going to be able to see exactly how it was braided down and all of that. Because like I said, you guys, there's so many videos on YouTube of people doing crochet braids and everything. And y'all, my hair looks real packed down. Now that I'm looking at it, it looks real packed down. But I did comb it out and everything after I took the little mini twist out and all. Child, I look like I'm your mama, I'm your daddy, I'm that in the alley. Okay, let me shut up. But yes, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to start off with braiding my hair down. And once I braid my hair down, I am going to come back, show you guys what my braid pattern looks like, and then I'm going to show you guys me starting to actually install the crochet here. Okay, okay, so I know that I told you guys I was not going to show you the braiding process, but I wanted to just show you guys a little piece of the braiding process, because I know that some people aren't familiar with how to cornrow, you know, braid to the scalp. It's okay, y'all. It took me a little while to learn too, but I've been doing my hair since I was 12 years old, y'all. So yeah, but as you can see right here, you guys, I am parting out my hair, and this just makes it easier for me when I'm braiding, is to split the top of my hair into 2 pigtails. This just makes it easier for me. I separate the back out, and then I do the 2 pigtail methods in the front because y'all, I'm OCD when it comes down to my hair. I like to have an even amount of braids on the top of my hair. That's just something I've always been into. And y'all, I use that old school super grow. If you from the country, then you know that super grow be super growing. So I'm about to start with the braiding process. And yes, I did take my edges out because I don't want to cause any unnecessary stress on my edges, so my edges will not be braided into the braids. And y'all, I'm just showing you right here what I use to slick my edges down and keep them out the way. This is not the normal edge control that I use on my hair because I found that wax based, I hope I'm saying that right, but wax based edge controls don't work for me. Like the ones that have that beeswax in it, it does not work for me. It does not lay these edges. It don't do what it needs to do for me. But I just use this just to pull my edges out the way. And this is the Jillian Garcia brand. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with her. She is on YouTube. I think her name is Jillian Garcia Artistry, but she is an African American hairstylist, and she is dope. So that is the edge control that I am using just to make sure that my edges are out of the way. And it has Jamaican black castor oil in it. So, you know, Jamaican black castor oil helps with strengthening your hair. So that is why I use that to go ahead and pull my edges out of the way so that I don't braid them, make a mistake and braid them into the cornrows, because no unnecessary tension needs to be put on your edges. Okay, y'all, so now we get into the meat and potatoes of it. Now I am crocheting in the hair, and y'all, I took my robe off. I had ended up getting hot, y'all. Doing your own hair is a lot of work, like a whole lot of work. So as you can see, the crochet hair comes with the loops in it, and I'm just looping those into my braids, and that is just basically it. I mean, it's kind of self-explanatory, and I don't want to bore y'all with me telling you how I loop the loop and loop the braid into the braid. Well, y'all know what I'm talking about, but I don't want to bore y'all with that, so I'm just going to let the music play and let y'all watch me install this. this point, y'all, I was tired and I was over it. I'm not gonna even lie to you, but I have finished the front of my hair. Now I am getting ready to move on to the back of my hair, and as I'm putting the crochet braids in the back of the hair, you can see the braid pattern that I did. And for me, this braid pattern makes it so that each of the braids fall over the bottom layer of braids, and it kind of makes it so you can do it up down, or when you wear all of your hair down, it does not, you can't see the braid, you can't see your crochet braid pattern, and it just makes for a more seamless look. So I braid my hair down like this, and yeah, so I'm going to exit stage left and let y'all finish watching. So this is the finished look, y'all. I have been wearing this style now for about a probably good 2 weeks, so I am late with filming the last part of this video, and for that, y'all, I apologize. But this is how the hair came out, you guys. I have worn this hair up, like, I work from home, so a lot of the times my hair has been up in a ponytail, and I also did like this little swoopty swoop situation when I went to my best friend's dinner party. I did a swoop to swoop situation, and it looked like, you know, I was giving very 90s vibe, very 90s hoochie mama vibe. Looked like I was going to Freaknik, if you will. So yes, this hair, like, at first, you guys, I'm not gonna lie, anytime I try blonde hair, I get nervous because I always wonder, you know, is that the blonde tone for me and for my skin tone? But y'all, this blonde is so pretty. Like I said, it's like an ombre from a dark brown to a chocolate brown to a blonde, like a honey blonde. And this hair is really cute. Like, I love the little I think these are called goddess braids. I love the little goddess braid look. I love that. And then the fact that they're, you know, shorter, so it's perfect for like the summertime, if you're not into, you know, long hair, wearing long hair. Because I know a lot of people, they don't like wearing long hair in the summertime because they don't like all that hair on them. And baby, I feel you. That's why I wear my hair up a lot. You know, when I have styles like this, my hair is up in a bun a lot, especially when I had those 36-inch locks in, y'all. If I wasn't trying to be cute, that hair was up into a bun. But yes, you guys, this hair is very, very lightweight. I ended up using all the packs of the hair, and that's just because I wanted a full look, like a full-fledged look. That's what I wanted. And y'all saw I left my edges out, and to slick my edges, let me show you. To slick my edges, I use this olive oil super whole wet grip gel, and it says that it will not leave white cast, but for some reason it left me a little bit of a white cast. I don't know if that's because I put I use Super Grow on my hair, y'all. Keep it old school. I use Super Grow and I use Blue Magic on my hair to moisturize my scalp. So I'm not sure if it was the interaction with the other products or just the fact that this is supposed to be for laying your lace wigs. I don't know, but all I know is that it's doing something right now. It's keeping the edges at bay right now because, like I said, I have been leaving my edges out when I braid my hair, just because I don't want any thinning over here on this side of my hair. The edges aren't laid, but I'm not too sure if you guys can tell right there, but I ended up pulling some of my edges out. I don't know how I ended up pulling my edges out, y'all, but I'm so right. Don't say nothing. It's a lot going on over here on this side, you know, so those edges aren't laid, but these edges over here on this side are laid. And this is one of the styles that I also do when I'm trying to be cute, you know. Throw everything to one side and just do it like this. But like I said, you guys, earlier, this hair was sent to me courtesy of PR, and I do want to thank the company for sending me this hair over. I will leave the links down below in the description box to where you can purchase this. And yes, you guys, this is an Amazon exclusive. This company is from Amazon, and y'all already know how I feel about Amazon hair. You know, the shipping is fast, especially if you have Prime. Comes in, and it's actually like these type of braids are actually better priced than they are at the hood beauty supply stores that are here in my city. So I will continue to order like hair like this off of Amazon, just because of the simple fact it's better priced, and I suggest you guys do the same. Okay, that's just a little Danny's budget tips. That's just a little Danny budget tip right there, okay? So I want to say thank you for coming through and watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to join this here tribe. And share my content. Don't be stingy. Don't try to keep me to yourself, honey. Don't act like Genuine. Share me, okay? Bye.